Now, as we all know, Taiwan has absolute leadership in ICT hardware. Now we can find 12 products which are of #1 market share worldwide. These include like notebooks, netbooks, motherboard, LCD, and so on. I think in 2008, our netbook has 99% of the share. Now, this is a tremendous advantage for Taiwan. Now come to our opportunity. The heart of cloud computing, or the engine of the cloud computing, is the cloud data center. Now we can leverage our leadership in cloud, in the server hardware, to build the best cloud hardware for the world. Yeah. This includes the server, the storage, as well as the networking hardware. Now, in fact, Taiwan is already building all the cloud hardware for the major worldwide cloud data centers already. Like the famous brand cloud centers worldwide, you name it. Most of them, the hardware is built by Taiwan. And we are concentrating our research in what they call the converged fabric. It's a combination of, the direction is that the server, the storage, and network will be converged into one. And we focus our R&D in coolings, in power savings, in packaging. And I'm very confident that we're going to build Taiwan as the best supplier for the cloud data center solutions. In addition, we also are in the best position to build cloud clients. They talk about one cloud, three screens at the cloud, right? They talk about the PCs, the smartphones and the TVs. But everything is becoming a cloud client. The projector, the camera, your automobile. They all become cloud client. And Taiwan, of course, is best positioned to build the most optimal cloud client with many different varieties. Now, we are also going to continue to leverage our investment in connectivity, building the networking hardware. We've invested a lot in WiMAX. In the world of cloud computing, the requirement for network bandwidth will grow considerably. So that's a leverage. That's something we can leverage. Of course, I said earlier, the most exciting part of the cloud computing is that it allows us to go into this new area of cloud services. It's a golden opportunity for Taiwan to accelerate our transformation from the hardware into software and services. Actually, I consider cloud computing a continuation of internet. Sometimes I call it next generation internet. So therefore, not all the skills are new. All the IT training, the hardware software skills we gain over the years are still applicable. Of course, there are some special areas of focus. I think that the system software is an area that we sort of don't have a lot of strengths in the past in Taiwan. And in another areas are parallel computing techniques, such as Hadoop, MapReduce kind of thing. So we need to focus our training in that area. Actually, many universities are starting to offer cloud computing courses and trainings already. The Digital Education Institute of III is also start to offer cloud computing training. I'd like to mention Trend Micro also. Trend Micro has been promoting the training for cloud computing for a few years. Recently, they made a major contribution to National Taiwan University to start a set of cloud computing courses. They also held a very successful cloud computing college contest last year, and I think that with $1 million awards, and the top awardees will be guaranteed a job at Trend Micro. So this contest will be repeated this year. The award amount will be doubled, and the III will be joining Trend Micro to co-sponsor this event. Of course, we like to work closely with China on cloud computing. Our partnership needs to be both in the technology side as well as in the business side. And we are going to leverage our hardware, cloud hardware leadership, and we're going to base our collaboration on open architecture, as well as open source, standards, open standards from both sides. Actually, many leading IT vendors already started their cloud computing business engagement in China already through their own channels. Next month, China will organize a China Cloud Computing Development Conference in Beijing. That will be the second year they are offering this conference. I will attend this conference, with the opportunity to give a talk to promote cloud computing in Taiwan. During this trip, we also plan to have informal discussions with them on open standard and as well as technology collaborations. We also plan to visit China Mobile Research and also the IBM Cloud Labs in China, as well as the Wuxi Cloud in China. I'm sure that we, Taiwan and China, will form a win-win, very successful cloud computing partnership.